Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I'm fighting really hard against the desire to say, guess what? I have my spring Margot Elena, so let's get in here. I only know two things. Let's check it out. Guess since they sold out so soon in the season, they only gave us 2 spoilers. So this is a box full of things that I don't know what they are, and I am so excited. I have intentionally not looked for it on YouTube because so few of the boxes we get anymore are surprises. I can't wait to find out what's in here. If you're new to Margot Elena is a subscription box. It is what they call their discovery box. It comes out seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and oh, they just changed the price. They just changed it to $54.95. If I'm wrong about the price, I'm letting you know right here. You also do pay shipping for it, and it often sells out way before the season. I have not seen that summer has sold out yet. I'll be letting you know here if it has indeed sold out yet. I have to tell you right as I get ready to put the video up because this thing sells out so quickly for the next season. When you go on to purchase your subscription, you pay for your first box, whether it's the next season or the following season. I don't know that I would have ever done that. I did pay like a month and a half in advance because I wanted to be sure and get it. But if I couldn't buy it for the next season, I'm not sure what I would do because I don't think I would like to spend that much money for something I could not have for, 4 or 5 months. But that said, sometimes that's the only way you can get this box. Anyway, we usually get several spoilers each season, but after 2 spoilers this season, it just stopped. And I don't know whether it was because it sold out. They're usually sold out and we still usually get more, but I kind of liked it because if they send me spoilers to my email, I'm going to look. I can't help myself. I'm gonna look. But since they didn't, I intentionally made myself stay off YouTube so it would all be a surprise. Look how pretty it is, just even the box. It says Start Fresh on the back. It's got that pretty pink. I'll set that down for a second because it's very heavy. This is the little card that will tell us on the inside just very limited information about what's in here. Let me open this up. I can't hold it up and open it. It's so heavy. And that's what the inside looks like. It's usually wrapped so nicely. And everything about this brand is so pretty. It's Margot Elena, Library of Flowers, Tokyo Milk. Who am I missing? Lalia. I think that's it. We'll see. But it's all of those brands, they make great products. There's usually creams and perfumes. They're all fantastic products. But on top of that, they're gorgeous. And that's what drew me in. The very first time I saw this unboxed with Subbox Lover, and I knew I had to have this just because of how gorgeous the items were that she was holding up. Okay, the paperwork says, Nourish New Beginnings. From unfurling flowers to fledgling fawns, spring continually delights with growing life, color, and variety. This year, we followed suit, fashioning a bright new box design and custom bandana. Ooh, there's a bandana just for you. As candlelit evenings give way to midday romps in the warming air, stand with us in the exuberant admiration of all that blooms. Okay, reaching right in on top. I think this might be the bandana. So excited. Even this, the vellum paper that it's in is so pretty. I feel like it says something. From me to you. It's kind of just reflective in the vellum. Of course, I just ripped the top off of it. Not that I'm excited. That's not why. This is so pretty. Even if you don't use this in your hair, this tied to like your purse or something, how gorgeous and springy is that? I really hope my camera is doing this justice. It's like a cotton and it's so pretty. And it says, I'm always chasing rainbows, watching clouds drifting by. And it says that around the polka dots in the middle. And then there's the gorgeous flowers. So pretty. I love this box. Even if I don't use this as a bandana, actually, this is almost big enough and pretty enough, but how pretty would it be like on my ottoman, kind of thrown over with the tray that I keep on it with candles on top? We're off to a great start. I love this box. I love it. And I am in no way affiliated with it. They sell out every season. They offer no discounts, no affiliations. It's one of the first boxes that I got and I just love it. And they say that this limited edition spring bandana has a $28 value. And it tells us that our box retail value is $213, which is a really good deal because these products are all for sale on her site. It's not like they're old products or she's trying to get rid of stuff. You receive her seasonal awesomeness and $213 worth of product for, by the time you ship it, probably about $60. But that's still more than 3 times your value. Okay, reaching in next. I have no idea. This is so much fun. What is it? I think this is a candle. I love candles. Oh good, I was gonna say as you can tell, but as I turned, I wasn't sure that I had lit it. As you can tell, I love candles. This is the Lalia This Moment Water Lily and Sun Blossomed Perfumed Lumiere. And it's that tin, and it is gorgeous. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's so pretty. It's springy. Definitely floral, crazy floral. This is Water Lily and Sun Blossoms, and I try and say this in each unboxing that I do. If you don't care for floral scents, this box isn't for you. This is floral scents. That's kind of, she goes with a very prettily floral scent, very feminine. That's what she does. And this is gorgeous. I would like to put it right back here for spring. And I'm gonna hope that when I go over there to take my pictures for my Instagram, that I remember that's back there. Okay, next, we have another surprise. Oh, let me tell you, that candle, I hate reading ahead. I'm trying to look at the things just up top. That was, what I say, Lalia? So yeah, that's a $12 candle. Next we have, also in bubble wrap, they take such great care in getting this. I've personally never had any issues. Even though so much of this is glass and fragile sometimes, I have never had anything arrive damaged. This is the Library of Flowers American Small Batch Perfumery Willow and Water Eau de Perfume. How pretty is that? Right? So pretty. I love it. Let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna spray the paper because I have perfume on today. Oh, it's so nice and light, and it's incredibly floral. I know, I feel like I'm hiding behind the paper. Very springy. Anyway, it smells like maybe lily. Is there lily in it? You know, there's absolutely no information. I will try and go on the website and let you guys know here if they give us the notes of it, because you guys know that's not my forte. But I would love for you guys to know what the notes are in this. And look, even the top of the bottle, can you see? It's just all done so well. It's so pretty and springy. I feel like we should just put it all back there, and then I won't forget it's back there. And that perfume has a $42 value. Reaching in next, we have cards. Periodically, we do get cards, and I like having them around, especially with the world the way it is now. I love having cards in these boxes because they come in handy when I want to write personal notes. This one says, happy birthday to you, and it's TWO2, and then UEWE. How cute is that? So cute. This one says, absolutely fabulous. And just for the record, these are really cute, and they're very, I don't know if it's coming across, they're really glittery. This one says, hey man, you are too cool for words. Happy birthday. So cute. And this one says, thank you. And it's just a dragonfly. So these are really usable. Sometimes they're less celebration related, you know, they're not birthday or thank you, they're just cards that you would write notes on the inside. I love that there's actually literally 2 birthday cards, a thank you note, and the one that says absolutely fabulous you could also use as a thank you note. And these 4 cards have a $22 value. Reaching in next, I'm gonna take out, I have littles. I think they're probably little soaps. Looks like I have 3 little soaps. They're all Tokyo Milk, Neptune, and the Mermaid, and they just look like little guest soaps. Look how pretty they are. They are so pretty. So pretty. This is, it is the Lost Atlantis Mini Soap Collection, and it has a $10 value. These will make such pretty little soaps in a guest bathroom that I love that. Our pile is growing. Next, I have a lip balm, and it is the Tokyo Milk Pucker Up Poseidon Lip Balm. I am not going to open this because we get one of these each season, and I actually have one that I'm using right now. So just in case I want to be able to pass this along, I am not going to open it. I will show you the inside. This is what the jar looks like. And it's always just a clear, basically clear balm that has a really lovely scent, and it has a $10 value. I will admit, I am reaching for these less because don't get me wrong, I wash my hands 800 times a day, but still, I don't want to do it as much as I used to. Next we have, ooh, what is this little? 06 Dead Sexy Lip Tint. That is what that looks like. That's pretty cool. And that's exactly what it is. Tokyo Milk Dead Sexy Date Night Lip Tint, $12 value. Well, let's see what a Date Night Lip Tint color is. I just made another video. Spoiler alert, it's an e.l.f. video, and if I haven't put it up yet, I love the lip. Oh, when we squeeze it out, it's just a really subtle color. I don't even know that you can tell any difference to what I just put over it, but it's just got some nice shine, kind of just a flushed lip look. I don't smell anything. This will definitely get used. You guys know I love a balm, and this pretty much falls into the balm category for me. Next we have the Tokyo Milk Bon Bon Shea Butter Lotion. Yes, please. Let them eat cake. Look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. This is just so well done. I just love this brand. You take it out, it slides out, and look, so fancy. Extra. You know what? I made a video not too long ago where I said we always get, let me see if it's still true. Yes, where I said we always get Margot Elena with the metal tops, but they don't come with the pointies. But I had something that I had finished that had a pointy top on it, and I kept it and I put it up here, and now I have it. Does it work? Oh, it's... This is too short, so this doesn't go far enough down on it. I wonder if I can screw it down further. Man, that's such a good plan, and it didn't work. All right, back to the old trusty dusty. It is a hand lotion. Darn it, I thought I had fixed that problem. I go on the look again for a new pointy thing. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. The vanilla in that, it's not like a vanilla cake, although it's called Let Them Eat Cake. It doesn't smell like vanilla. It smells like a muskier, more grown-up vanilla. That smells good. I like that a lot. Plus, it just made the back of my hands feel fantastic. That is what that looks like on the front where it talks about it, and then the back matches the box. So pretty. That had a $22 value. We still have 3 more products. Reaching in next, I have a Lalia Relax Fine Bathing Salts in Lavender Honey. That is okay with me. I love lavender. So they come in this nice little cardboard tube, and then they are just in a pretty paper bag. Oh my gosh, guys. I would argue that even if you don't care for lavender, you would like this. It is amazing. This is maybe one of my favorite scents ever out of a Margot Elena box. That is amazing. So it is the Lalia Relax Bath Salts gift box. And these are $15, and I got the lavender honey. I always thought we all got the same thing, but I discovered a couple of boxes ago with candles. Oh, this is, I don't think I'm getting this back in here. Sounds about right. Okay, I got it in. I discovered a couple of boxes ago that somebody said they had a different candle scent than me. And since this doesn't commit to a scent on the paperwork, I'm going to say this is probably something else that came in options. Pretty, right? Next we have, it's a tube of something, so I would say it's either a lotion or a bath gel. I like it when we get our bath gels like this. I can't even tell you the last time I had to purchase a bath gel. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's called Honey in the Moon, Sweet Honey and Sugared Violet, Jasmine, and Sandalwood. I love sandalwood. I've said in the past, I like those 70s musky scents. That's what it looks like from the front. Look how pretty it is with the bees. Can you guys tell how big this is? It's like the size of my forearm. It says it's number 10, and then that's actually probably the front because it says all the words. So pretty, and it is made in the USA. It is 5.5 ounces. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, it's a clear gel. I wondered if with the honey we would get a creamy, but I hope you guys can see that. It's just a clear. That smells so good. It smells like honey. I don't really get much of the sandalwood. I think it's probably what stops it from being too sweet though. Oh yeah. I'm gonna love that. And this had a $16 value. And last but not least, I have no idea. Oh, something in a bubble wrap. Uh-oh. Is it an uh-oh? I don't think it's an uh-oh. I think that it, see how the top is white? It's the powder that's on the inside. It's just corked and then it has over it. And I would say, although I don't know how, that's pretty darn tight. Yeah, I would say that, see how it is? It just worked its way out of here. Like I said, I don't know how. It's super tight in there. Anyway, it is the Cottage Greenhouse Kaolin Clay Mask. Soothe, hydrate, and soften. 100% natural. Restore. And it's so cute. It's the little jar with the cork plug and look, the little scoop so you can make your own little scoop. Again, that's what that looks like. And it's perfectly usable. It's just a little bit, it just needs a good rinse. If you do by chance get this, and I know there are a couple of you that are out there that get it, did yours have the same problem? It says a $24 value and it says sweet relief for stressed skin. The most delicate of clays, kaolin envelops your shell in a moisture-rich mix of minerals and phytonutrients, preserving nourishing natural oils as it gently lifts out impurities. All right, she goes back here with the rest, and that is what we received in our Margot Elena for spring 2021. It is so pretty. So we got a bath gel, bath salts, a kaolin clay mask, 3 little, I'm gonna call them guest soaps, 4 cards, a lip balm, a lip tint gel, a perfume, a candle, and a hand cream. Oh, and the scarf. I love this box. So let me know below, what do you guys think? They raised the price to either $54 or $59 plus you pay shipping, so I'll be letting you know here again what the value of that is. And I will also let you know if the summer box is still available in case it's anything you have any interest in. I don't have a code. They don't give out codes. They sell out every season, so I guess they don't feel the need to do any codes. Thank you so much for coming by, guys, and watching this one. It's such a pretty one. I like it so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys. Time to take a bath.